So guys, we're now here in this artificial cave, and we are going to witness how this bird farm is being operated. Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again, and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. Well, today's episode is really different because this is not the usual thing that we do, because the content of this is a business of a farm bird. Actually, this is new to me because I have just met my friends. We have the physician here, Dr. Falmi Usman. Actually, he invited me to just take a look at what they are doing here. And he actually runs this business, and this has just started. But he has started this long before in his hometown in Tawi-Tawi province, that's in Cebu. And he was so successful, and his advocacy is also to educate people and to share basic knowledge about this farming. So Doc, thank you for inviting us here. Can you greet our friends, our followers?
Good morning. Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Falmi Usman from Cebu to Tawi-Tawi.
Just yesterday, we had a great conversation, and he talks about the possibility of expanding the business in bird farming. Actually, what is the derivative product of this farming, Doc?
Ang kinukuha natin dito is yung nest.
Nest.
So, yun yung edible, yun yung kinakain, at yun yung ginagawang expensive birds
Delicacy.
Delicacy. So, ang market nito, katulad dito sa atin, hindi pa masyadong popular. Sa Malaysia namin pinapadala. So, per kilo ang bentahan doon. Malaysian price na sa mga 5,000 ringgit per kilo. Which is around mga 120 to 150 nest.
Yeah.
Start ako nito mga 4 years ago, no? So in Tawi-Tawi, so pupunta muna ako ng Sabah at inaral muna namin paano bang gawin ito. And pagdating ko sa Cebu nag-start kami. Siguro after mga 6 months, saka nagkaroon ng ibon sa loob.
So I'm so excited, actually. I'm really very excited to get inside in this cave. This is actually, I call this a cave, because these birds are cave birds, actually. And they used to go in dark places, and they used to lay eggs in the places where they feel secure. Yes! Wow! So guys, we're now here in this artificial cave, and we are going to witness how this bird farm is being operated. And I'm so excited to share with you this kind of business. Wow. So guys, we're here inside in this building. This is very dark, actually. And you will see that there are so many birds. We cannot just let you see very clearly because it's very dark. And this is actually the requirement of the bird farm. Actually, the nature of the business is to sell the nests that are left behind by the birds. Well, we know that the birds will normally make their nest, and then after the birdlings can fly, they can utilize the nest. These are edible, very delicious, and we can sell this at a good price. Sa nakikita ko, ito yung mga ibon sa kuweba, no, sa cave. And these birds needs some dark places. Kaya ginawa nila itong building na to na very dark. Ang maririnig natin yung mga sounds lang. Nagsimula ba talaga kayo na may inaalagaan kayong bird dito? Wala lang.
Sounds lang.
So, ibig sabihin, maglagay tayo ng sounds para ma-invite yung mga birds.
Para pumasok lang.
Para pumasok. And you will see guys, this sound, it's very noisy actually. And the sound looks like the chirpings of the birdlings, as if the sound is creating a projection that a bird is feeding the babies. And these are the sounds that we can hear everywhere. I would like to know if what kind of device that Julius used in order to attract the birds. Paano ginawa tong yung sounds na to? Saan mabibili?
Sabah, sa Malaysia.
So, nabili mo ito sa Sabah, Malaysia? Oo. Tapos, makikita natin na mayroong mga maliliit na sound box ba yan? O Twitter?
Oh, Twitter yan.
Oh, Twitter. Guys, we will get some nest and then we will show you the byproduct of this business. Come on, let's do this. And these guys are the nest. You will see that this is one nest. And these are actually to be collected regularly because this nest will be left by the birds after they gonna hatch the eggs. Then the birdlings can fly. They will look for another place to make another nest. So they will abandon this one. That's why we have to regularly collect this. And this is the source of a nutritious food. And this has been known by everywhere in the world. This is really now a business, a big business of bird's nest. If you are in a place where you have rice field, you are near the river, or you are in the forest, this business is really good for that kind of place. Nakikita ko maraming bahay dito sa paligid. Pero na-manage mo pa rin na maparami itong ibon na to.
Oh, pwede.
Pwede, kahit may mga bahay-bahay. Pero mas maganda talaga kung nasa palayan, sa bukid, in the rice field, in the mountains. Oo. So ito talaga yung pinaka-ideal place. So can you give our viewers some at least 3 or 4 talking points about this business, how we operate this one, what are the things that we needed?
First, syempre, kailangan meron tayong lupa. The best size, maliit na kaya siya. At least 20 feet by 40 feet. Ang taas ng gagawin natin is nasa 10 feet lang yung ceiling. Pwedeng hollow block, semento. Pwede ring hardy flex, no? Depende kung ano yung available doon sa ating lugar. So, first yun yung building. Yung building natin, kailangan may mga daanan ng hangin yan na madilim. So, naglalagay kami ng mga PVC pipe na may elbow sa loob. Papasukan ng hangin, pero madilim pa rin siya. Okay? Kailangan din natin ng sound, which is meron naman tayo, pagkukuhanan ng sound. So, we need amplifier, tapos tweeters, no?
So guys, you will see that there is a big basin and I see some water in it, and we will ask Julius what is the purpose of putting in this basin here in the mini cave. Anong purpose nito, kaibigan Julius? Bakit ito may tubig?
Para maglamig yung kwan sa taas. Kasi pag pasok na rito sa hangin, pag ganyan niya,
Aakyat.
lalamig siya.
These birds need humidity. They need some fresh environment, but it's dark. That is why they put some water right here. And you will also see that this place had this kind. Ano ito? Dito sila dumadaan?
Hangin to.
Pasukan ng hangin.
Punta niya dyan sa tubig, aakyat yung lamig.
Para lumamig.
Ganyan sila.
Oo. So, ilang buwan bago lumapit sila dito?
Mga anim na
6 months bago nagkaroon ng ibon. Those of you who are also very interested in this kind of farming, we will create a cave-like building, very dark, very close. We will put some water. We will put some aroma in order to invite the birds. And this aroma are called black aroma and white aroma. Can this be bought in the market? Pwede bang bilhin sa market lang? Sa Sabah, Malaysia pala talaga. Okay. So you research on this, guys, because this is really a big business. Imagine if you have 1 kilo of the nest, then you can sell that at around 30 to 50,000 pesos. But in other countries, it's really very costly. And what is good about this business is you will only invest once. You will invest the tweeters, the sounds, the scents, and the facility, very minimal. But you will just wait for a long period of time before we can say that this is gonna become a stable business. So these are the things that we can think about. Many of us are not able to think about what kind of business we are going to engage into. But this one is very special, and it opens our mind, it opens our outlook in life that we can also try. And we are encouraging people to try this one. Of course, I will monitor this business with Julius, very humble man. But I believe that this business will really prosper because it's one of a kind. It's not the usual thing that we can see, it's extraordinary. If ever one of our viewers and followers would like to engage this business, would you be willing also to assist, or can you give your contact number and assist maybe?
Oo naman, oo.
Yes.
Actually, kaya ni-invite ko yung Dexter's World kasi malaki na yung followers mo. Gusto ko ma-share na baka sakali makatulong to sa mga Pilipino na small time na gusto nilang magkaroon ng pagkakakitaan. Ang akin naman is naging may pagkakitaan ng maraming tao, baka sakaling mas magiging maganda yung pamumuhay ng
Yeah. My feeling right now is really very encouraged, and I would like also to start this one. Maybe next year we can start this one and Julius can guide us, and I hope that this will be one of the major projects of this channel, Dexter's World, in order to encourage people, in order also to guide people and to give some relevant information. So this is a special coverage, and I pray and hope that Julius will become very successful supplier of this bird's nest in the future, maybe 2-3 years from now. I invite you, if you are not subscribed to this channel, I will invite you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we are uploading videos regularly only here at Dexter's World.